Alright, well, it is the day to mount the Temu storage rack on the wall. So, I'm giving the Warrior drill a rest and going with the old trusty Genesis. So plug her in the wall, 1/2 inch chuck, can't go wrong. And to seal the deal to the wall, I'm going to use the Power Pro wood screws. 2.5 inch. These things are awesome. I've used these many times, and once you put them in, they don't come out. It's a star bit, and if anyone buys it, just let you know it comes with the star bit, so that's pretty handy. If you guys want a board that ain't coming out of the wall, get some of these. And to give you a quick tip, we have these very big wood screws here that came in the Temu packet. Now, if you want to make a starter hole and you don't have a size calipers to measure it out, what you do is you find the center and then you keep going down until you see thread, and then you know that you are at the size of the shank, but you're not at the size of the thread. Just a little helpful hint, that's all. Got the assortment of wood here for the project. Now I know there are a variety of sizes, but I'm not here to make a Picasso. I'm just here to get the job done. So I'm not even gonna bother on cutting them. Now, to select the right socket, this is a 1/2 inch, just to let you guys know if you're doing this project by yourself. So this is the wall that I choose to be the victim of this project. So let's get started. Before I get started, just give you a little quick tip. Always start one and make sure it protrudes out a little bit. That way you can hammer it up there in the right spot that you want it to, and then drill it. So here we go. Uh-oh, no power. All right, now time to get the runners and start buttoning it up. Okay, so what I'm going to do to make sure that this is level is I'm going to use the combination square that I found on the roadside find. I'll put that in the caption of this video. Check it out. It was a pretty neat find. Other stuff I found in it too, and I also show what this is for, which it's pretty cool. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is the inside ones, and then I will actually put a level on them, because if they're right, I'll know the outside ones will be right too from using this. Now, when you hang these up, remember, there's only one way it goes, and it's facing the L down. So it needs to go that way. If you put it this way, see, that don't work. So always remember that. All right, there we go. Perfect. I just loosened this one up, loosened that one up, and adjusted it a little bit, and there we go. So that's good. So now get the other ones on, and that'll be it. See? Almost did the wrong way. Even the YouTube professionals mess up. Now, remember, you lift this side up here, and there's a hole underneath here for the last mounting screw. Don't want to forget that. All right, there we go. Now, put the wood out. And there we go. Not bad, not bad. So, that is the Temu storage rack here. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.